Welcome to IGCSE ICT 20 Data Analysis. Task 20X. Open the file that you saved in task 20K. Format the cells in column D so that if they contain the text not experienced, they are colored with a red background. If they contain experienced, add an amber or orange background. If they contain very experienced, add a green background. Apply appropriate foreground colors to this text. Okay, so we are going to open the file in task 20K, and I have just opened mine. As you can see, task 20K. This task can be found in your work area if you have been following through with this tutorial series. Okay, so now basically what I'm going to do next is that I look at these instructions. The first one states that if they contain the text not experienced, they are colored with a red background. How am I going to do this? I'm going to make use of the style tool and just conditional formatting. And before I do that, I have to highlight the range of cells where I want to look for all the cells that contain not experienced explicitly. And I will go over here, conditional formatting, then choose new rule. Alright, now format only cells that contain. Now I have to be specific, not just ordinary cell values. I should be specific that it should contain, make use of contain, because it contains a whole lot of not experienced. Okay, if for instance we now assign it to beginning with not or whatever, you see it can only be restricted, or maybe beginning with experienced, it can only be restricted to those ones that have experienced. So but now because it contains not experienced, it's going to contain everything about not experienced. That is the two words, not and experienced. So I'm going to type the exact text, not experience, the way it is, and the color I shall give it is red color. Alright, I'll come over here. How did I get here? You go to format and you go over to fill and you choose red color. Come back to font. Then you are going to choose the color is going to be white. Why am I going to choose white? Because I need a kind of contrasting colors. Contrasting colors in the sense that the two colors must have to favorably blend, favorably show fully what they represent. So if for instance I added something like maybe black in as a font color in a red background, it is not going to make sense too much. So that is why I have chosen white, and I'll click OK. Now you can see how it looks like. Then when I click OK, it applies everything. Alright, now I'll leave it highlighted and go over to the next instruction. If they contain experienced, add an amber or orange. Now this one is very, very important. If they contain experienced, I am going to go here, alright, and go to new again, and here format only cells that contain. Okay, only cells that contain. But here I'll be specific again. I'm not going to choose contain, because if I say contain experience, it's going to change everything to yellow amber because we have experience in all the cells here. So for me to do this, I want it to begin with experienced. So beginning with experience, so that it's only the cells that have experienced beginning it will be able to show in that particular color. So I will type it the way it is, experienced, and the color should be amber if I'm not mistaken. I will choose amber. I think okay, I think this one is it. Yeah, or should I choose this? This orange. What color? Is it orange? Yeah, I think it's this one, orange. Yeah. So, and the contrasting color I should use, what contrasting color should I use here? If I am going to make use of white, it's not contrasting enough. Okay, let me just make use of black as font. Sorry, font should be white, not foreground. Let me use black as font. Then the foreground should be orange. Okay, and if I click OK, yeah, I think it's good enough. So I'll click OK here, and it shows everything there. Alright, now I will leave it highlighted, go over to the instruction. If they contain very experienced, add a green background. So I am going to select very to begin the text, a green background. So I will come over here and go to new rule, select format only cell, and make a specific text. Is going to begin with very, and then make the fore color to be green. Think this is rather green. Okay, and possibly the font color should be white, just to make it more contrasting enough. And okay, yeah, I think it's good enough. And okay, all right. Now you can see the whole thing have been applied, and you can see very experienced. Everything very experienced has the appropriate color decoration. So, and likewise not experienced as well as experienced. So we are done with this task. You make sure you save it as usual as task 20x. Task 20x. So this is going to be task 20x. Alright. So we have actually come to the end of the task we have come to the end. Did I save this? What happened? Save as. Okay, I'm going to save it as x. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, Microsoft cannot access. There are several possible reasons. Well, I don't know, but I'm done with this. So basically, I am done with this, and of course, I think you can actually save yours, because mine should work just fine. I don't know, for some reason it's not showing me what I need. Alright, let's see. Okay, by the way, I have saved, so you can actually save yours. So thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in our next videos, possibly I might be publishing video series on some activities, but I think I would rather have you work on those activities. I'm just going to display the activities like in form of video slides, then you guys can work on the activities. And maybe if you're having challenges with the activities, I believe you can always count on me. Alright, so for the meantime, thanks for watching. See you in our subsequent videos, and do not forget to subscribe right away. It is going to be very important, especially when you need to be aware of when new videos are being published. So it is very important, and I recommend that you do this. So once I publish new videos, you will be the first to know and the first to take advantage of the knowledge that is contained in the material. Alright, so see you around. Bye.